Hello and welcome to Impel. Let's take a look at how list navigations work in Impel. The basic paradigm for navigation in Impel is the list. What we're looking at currently is a list of accounts. So if you look at this, you'll see a whole bunch of records, and these are all accounts within Impel. Now the basic thing that we have here is that as you move along, you'll see that the highlight moves, and just clicking on that takes you to a view of that account. So this is one basic thing that you can do with lists. The second thing that you will see is that right here we have what is known as a contextual menu. What this means is that the items that you see on the pop-up are based on the entity that you're looking at. So for example, now we're looking at accounts. So you have a list here that shows view, edit, add a note, print, deactivate, and reassign. So we already looked at the view. It does the same thing as clicking on the line. If you go to edit, it opens the record in an edit mode so that you can actually modify multiple fields here and save the record. Let's go back to the list. So there's a bunch of other things that you can do with the list, and these are all things that you can do by just selecting the item from the list. So if you click on note, you can add a note to the account, you can print, you can deactivate or reassign. The other thing that's possible is that you can do a search on the entity. So for example, if I come here and key in, let's say, embassy, I will see all the accounts that match this particular search term. Right? So now I have a list of all the accounts that have the name embassy either in the name or in any of the other lines. So for example, here you see Bahrain embassy is not in the account name, but it's in the primary email, but that shows up as well in the search, because the search works across different columns here. Clicking on the little X clears the search, right? So the other thing that you can do here is what is known as reload. So if you click on this, it reloads the entire list without refreshing the page. And the other thing that you can do is to click on add, and that will take you to, gives you the ability to add a new account. So these are the basic functionalities that you have with the list navigation. Thank you.